Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ridwan Akmal bin Nur Aznam from CS251. Today I'll be explaining on character generator protocol, chargen for individual project ITT440. So character generator protocol is a protocol in port 19. Character generator protocol is a service of the Internet Protocol Suite that was defined in RFC 864 in 1983 by John Foster. It is intended to be used for testing, debugging, and measurement purposes. So these are some of the uses of chargen. So one of it is a host may connect to a server that supports the character generator protocol on either transmission control protocol, TCP, or user datagram protocol, UDP, port number 19. Next, upon opening a TCP connection, the server starts sending arbitrary characters to the connecting host and continues until the host closes the connection. So in the UDP implementation of the protocol, the server sends UDP datagram containing a random number between 0 and 512 of characters every time it receives a datagram from the connecting host. Any data received by the server is discarded. So these are the example of chargen. So the following examples from the output screen shows the data that is generated follows an ordered sequence. As you can see, it repeats a pattern of 94 printable SC characters in a ring so that character number 0 follows character number 94. Notice how the example from the output screen shows the repeated pattern. So I'll show you the example. So this is my code for the example of chargen. So as you can see from the left, so GCC .c S. So okay, as you can see, it repeats a pattern of 94 from 0 and ends in 94 on a repeated pattern. So this is character generator protocol. So on the left one is the code that I wrote for the server side. So these are all the codes. Okay, so we will compile the code for the server side, and it connected to the TCP service and it connected to the UDP service. So as you can see, it is connected and ready in the port 19. So we will check on the client side. So we will compile the code for the client one. So these are the code that I wrote for my client side. So these are the IP address for the server. So we will compile the code. So as you can see, it is successfully connected So the client and the server side are connected successfully. So if we write anything such as my name, so the server will reply with the chargen like I've shown you in the example.